Alright y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to try to get this here fuel tank hooked back up and strapped back down. I've already got it sitting down in place. All I got to do is put the strap on it. I did buy a couple of these little C-clamp captured nut things here. I'm going to slide it over, wrong way, slide it over like this. We're going to slide her back in. The bolt goes in from the outside here. Let's see if I can't get that thing lined up and start it back in there. Maybe not. For some reason this thing doesn't want to. Ah, there it goes. So that strap come off there. Alright, I got that started. I need to grab a wrench here. Alright, it's tight enough. Next thing is, need to put the fuel line on here, but I did pick up a fuel filter. It's probably overkill size, but you know, it's a pretty good size one, but I wanted one I could see, make sure there's no dirt or anything in it, so I'm gonna probably drop it in like right in here somewhere. I'm gonna get me a pair of cutters and cut that and get some clamps. I'll do that, and then I'll off camera, and then I'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, got the fuel line all hooked up, got the filter all primed. A while back I did put a key switch in this thing, just a cheap garden tractor style, but let's give her a crank and see if she'll fire up. And no, yes, this starter is not sounding good at all. I'm probably going to take it out and try to redo it or have it redone. So let's see what we got. First crank. There's the belt. Alright y'all, there you go. She's ready to rip. I just need to fasten the battery down here temporarily, throw some tires on it, move the seat back into where it goes. I did move it. Take my tools off, throw the tires on it, and we'll take this thing for a rip. Oh, I got to put the air cleaner and stuff on it too, but yeah, there you have it. Let me get the camera shut down and we'll do some of this stuff off camera, hooking the, fastening the battery down and putting the air cleaner and stuff on, throwing the tires on it. But we'll get her out and do a rip on her. Alright guys, I don't know how well the audio is going to be on this, but I got it off the jack stands, got it outside. Let's start it up and take her for a rip. Alrighty guys, there she is. The old Cushman golf cart. She's running. She ain't ripping, but she's running. Definitely gonna have to do some work on the throttle linkage and stuff for the spring. But as for right now, she's gonna be parked for the winter. Gotta get my winter projects going, and this isn't a winter project. Might be more towards spring, but right now it's not. So hope you all enjoyed the build series on it, sorta. Definitely got to get some bigger tires for it. Wish I could have had somebody here to film it driving, or somebody else driving it and me filming it, but yeah, she's only running about maybe 2,800 RPMs, so we got to work on that governor and stuff. We may just go ahead and delete it, but shh, don't tell nobody that. But no, we'll adjust it up, get some more RPMs out of it. Belt setup ran great, didn't slip, didn't hit, didn't do anything like that. Everything's good on it, so we're gonna call it done for right now. Like I said, hope you all enjoyed it. Appreciate you stopping by and checking out all the videos that went with this, and we'll pick her back up here in a few months when winter's over and spring's back, and or if I get the winter projects done, we'll pick her back up. But like I said, for right now, she's done. So thanks for stopping by. Hit that like button, hit the share button if you can. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell, get all the notifications. And as always, if it wasn't for y'all watching these videos, I wouldn't be doing them. Appreciate it a lot, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.